they wear pants, sleep for night.
Na lie.
It's true.
I should
go take wear pants, sleep.
Why?
She dey find pikin.
And then
the
pants stop.
The pants can disturb all this muscle. You know what I mean, muscle? Early morning movement. Early morning things. So woman when they find pikin, then they wear pants sleep. She's always ready. With highest she can use is simi.
What do you mean simi?
The crazy no simi.
Okay, simi that white.
Where underwear? I don't know where
underwear. Underwear different. Simi na singlet.
If anybody gets
female singlet.
They get skirt simi alone. You need to see simi.
Skirt simi.
They go call them underwear.
I know simi off from top.
A join. It gets
simi where they day up. It gets simi where they day full.
You don't hear them now. White. Those days is the
white now.
Any girl we know why white simi. Now rubbish girl.
And you know how they take wash them. They use parasol.
Very good.
You know parasol.
I know. Please.
Then when they don't soak and first. Wash and they go put small what is that blue name?
Blue now.
Robin blue.
No, they don't use Robin blue. They will say be 13 girl.
They put small blue.
Now we use small blue for our shirt for
white shirt. Nobody your shirt. Even for Salamani they use small blue. When the shirt done the old, you know what they call I was white. When done they turn to light brown. Pure China white before. Done to light brown. Would they use Robin blue?
Robin blue.
That is still there.
You do. One day I see him. You know where I go see him? No. I go see him. You know say for market for market now there are things we don't they finish for this town.
When no they again.
But you know they get but you get where you go for market.
You go see him.
You go see him.
Like Robin blue.
Yes.
Robin blue.
The places where they sell those things that where they sell spiritual things for market. If you don't go there, they sell spiritual things for market.
What are they go find that? What get away? Why go that kind of useless place?
Annie, good morning.
Go.
How are you?
Today your people
go Creek Road.
No, I want to experience what it looks like.
Wait, man, just finish.
I greet now. Should not be so
pattern. Get us
if
the
you,
day now.
See, if you come late, you greet. This is
But
normal thing. No. When you come late, we are used to that time.
Greeting now.
How are you?
Takada was saying something. Carry your own mic. Give my own microphone.
I don't know why they get that dash on the over.
Don't forget what I want to talk now. You don't go where they sell spiritual things for market. For those
what are they go find there?
Everybody, you need a burn candle for night.
Don't get away with burn candle for the I be spiritual. They go spiritual church. Terracross. Now they gonna go chop somewhere for us. Automatic. As they pass by the corner of the house, the way you go pass by, go read automatic, go chop. Look, if you're a Port Harcourt boy, you know automatic. In Port Harcourt, you're not a Port Harcourt.
That place is expensive pass. That place is expensive pass presidential.
You know not automatic.
What is it in restaurant?
It's a mama put of those days.
It has
the first time I begin to toy Harry there, late toy Harry. And they lived there before for one room near automatic. For one room we use general toilet those days.
Sure.
Now
you have seen life.
Why did you bring automatic?
Sorry, now the track cross. As they pass through the road to go the automatic, you must pass one room. When they draw cross into three, Annie, you know they got track cross. Cross, you know cross, Jesus cross, into three, then draw for the door.
So one now for the, two now for the arm robbers.
One now for who?
Two now for the arm robbers. Where they kill with Jesus.
Then
one now for Jesus.
So they kind of whole Calvary.
You just Calvary there in case you. So if you pass, you could hear song like Orubeso. That's set up go. Orubeso.
They three crossways they never pursue it.
Very good. Now in that place they see vision for you and give you bonus.
Okay, good. Wait till I just go here now.
Now what I'm saying is where you will find Robin Blue. Robin Blue now, everybody use that for spiritual things.
What in they bleach?
They don't use that dye cloth. I don't know whether it could use Robin Blue. I'm not sure.
They use that for.
Did you use Robin Blue?
No, yes.
For your shirt?
No, yes. Which one? Yes or no?
There are two types. There is the original Robin Blue.
Where they
for Comcom. Then there is
the
one. No, where they for the plastic now.
No
Robin
plastic.
Blue.
Now it be like that thick paper. Thick carbon paper.
If you say, how take sabi see me? On a big woman.
If you don't see me, what do you do?
Robin Blue, the moderate size, the 10 naira old.
Then the time for waterproof now.
For waterproof paper. Then the one where they for inside one blue cocoa where they get seal. Down at 15 naira. Then you get one where they call blue corn blue. Na stone.
Blue con blue.
Na corn blue. Na stone. Blue stone.
You go put that inside
water. The water go turn blue. And that one I go put that inside big cocoa, shake and shake and shake and shake.
You mean say you know
that one there?
You know it's a
use for abortion.
You know
Jesus.
I'm not aware.
I use for abortion.
Abortion.
So now those,
With potash.
now when you go when you go Creek Road Market or My One Market or Town Market, ask them where do they sell spiritual things. Now you go see Doll Baby.
The baby. Wait, the baby get two types.
What the type for waist now?
Liver waist. The baby get two types.
Now my own juju and type of which one want today.
You know that the baby way one are red, one are blue.
When they be plastic. When they stand like this, go flower. The plastic do fin.
If you pee,
That one.
That one for 9/11.
That one.
How would I play?
In front of
I think you
9/11.
need sanitary ask people again.
No.
No, see me. Una no Doll Baby. I'm afraid.
See, if you be man, you know carry your baby
Make I
play.
explain. Don't be Doll Baby.
Now wait.
There are two Doll Baby there. What did they say?
leave the spiritual the baby, not the baby.
One a wooden one. They use wood to cover.
You know them. They cannot find
Then the one where where you press the pee. That the Doll Baby way.
Not that way they get.
a plat two hair.
You play the
No
hair.
wait. Now that one will get different color.
Now we
That
talking
one
about
will
I'm saying
blue.
that.
different
Different
color.
color.
Now this Doll Baby
Carry
will
a
get
play.
Oyibo hair.
No, that
No, that one a doll.
They
That one
sell
no get
am.
baby
They
inside.
sell am for the spiritual market. Now that one is when you want go tie Oyibo man.
Jesus Christ.
You go buy that Doll Baby. Tie am with your pillow.
What is that?
The Doll Baby.
You want with it?
400
One tie Oyibo man down. When they give you money, you go buy that Oyibo Doll Baby. If you a black man, you go find that wooden hole. Tie the two together, whap with rope. Then anything will happen to you, you're your own.
Are you saying that is what this Mamus Eramos use?
Who's Mamus?
Mamus
Mamus said,
These people, are you in this matter? Are you in
they are
this
not
one?
in
For this
the-
matter,
Eramos
all
Mamus.
Mamus
In the
said,
world. In the
Small
world.
girl. We collect somebody husband.
All the way. She did
Wife
Nigeria.
of the
They did
husband.
most
One by one floor at a
He
time.
was sounding very worried.
Wait, this guy, Annie, you know this is what is Mamus Warash?
What is it, man?
Eramos Mamus.
Now the name
Now
of
the
the
name.
girl of the snatchy.
The girl, eh?
The snatcher.
Only one person she snatched.
Only one. Nah, and she snatched a good snatch.
How much the guy make? Oh,
16 million.
16,000
pounds.
in 1 month.
nine she collect
Nine she collect.
from the
Collect
guy.
car, Toyota Corolla,
Give me the
collect
slip.
iPhone.
Let me just sleep.
No, he was playing.
He's alive.
Happily doing
Now you bought Doll Baby. Wait a
The both of baby now she use.
if I don't know best. You see the two how they tie for waist. They remind me of the one. Don't if you understand how a woman will tie rope for her waist. It remind me. You know, not India. You know India.
No, not
Do you know the Karabiri?
Maybe can't do it.
Or Ororio?
Orio.
No, those are the Ororio dogs.
What's
There are different types of dogs.
You're just a fool.
Ororio dogs are the hunters' dogs. Where hunters they take enter bush. Ororio. They take injection. Nobody so we go
They get
injection.
anti-rabies,
Say we go treat one dog. Me and Mike at 16,000. They said 20,000. Those Ororio dogs. Those Ororio dogs. The Karabiri. You go see rapists for their body. They scratch up. They
Now
need
their
their
pride.
They know their medicine for bush. Now the owners they check them. Once those Ororio dogs they on their messes. Then they use rope. Tie their waist.
Jesus Christ.
Make the belly no come out. The belly now what?
I don't tie my own belly.
You never see them ever about. Those dogs they tie rope for their waist. Why? Because
It's true.
make belly. You never see them.
It's true.
Don't feel it.
Yes.
Make their belly no come out. They go tire.
What kind of whole manner of men do I have in this?
No, but smart.
It's
You things.
Why do they tie the waist of the dog?
The dog. So that in belly.
No, go come
The
on.
pregnancy when carry no go come out because in they move to a every wow.
I know, no. You know, say village dog. they don't get where they keep them, they don't get
Up and down the home.
Yes, make some male dog from the other compound. No can spoil the belly again.
Belly again.
So as they tie that rope, now warning.
Warning.
Signal.
You don't go come out.
For other
Now
dogs.
signal for
No
other
belly.
dog to stay off.
So it be like you tie this rope, it be like
I'm holding my
either
belly.
you are
Yes.
expecting pregnancy or
I have
or
expected.
you have pregnancy.
Oh, joy.
Now, Kule,
My friend, can we leave her out of this?
I
we have
don't
left
know.
her. Let us discuss.
Let's-
Kule, do you know that this our company, this our NGO,
Yes.
the National Hustlers Association of Nigeria.
AKA Ngo.
Okay, National
No. National
Hustlers Association of Nigeria. That's NH.
Now.
Nahu. Good. Do you know our national president?
Sorry for both of you.
I know him.
Who?
His name is
No, you don't know him.
His name is a stone.
No, it's not.
Guy, cannot.
Ah, cannot. It's a learner. It's a learn walk. The learn walk.
Now, Gino Melai.
Do you know the learn walk? Our national president of the Hustlers Association of Nigeria, River State chapter.
Nice.
No,
Now,
you
let's
can't
get
have national president and can't have
I have
state
chapter.
No, brother. We'll
No,
do,
no, wait.
We'll do our convention.
Wait, is it national?
Come on, the national. Just
What
do
time?
Hustlers Association.
River,
State
okay.
chapter.
River State chapter. We'll do convention. In 2011.
Because it's Wi-Fi.
No?
No.
2003. No,
Wi-Fi
2011. I
Wi-Fi
mean, the
is bad.
second tenor now we'll do
Yes.
convention.
Yes.
No, the streaming is bad.
2011.
Yes.
Yes, true.
Are you hearing
The
me?
Wi-Fi working
Yes.
now.
And we did convention and our chairman emerged. Barrister Uche Okoko. He was
Who is
where
Barrister
he-
Uche Okoko?
Barrister Uche Okoko was the party chairman of APP in 2011. APP was waxing strong. All Progressive People's Party, whatever how did they call them. APP was making waves.
All people's party.
All People's Party. See, opposition no day. Now, opposition now rubbish. That time, APP and PDP, when I mentioned they go for a second tenor, there was serious opposition. Uche Okuku, Vice Uche Okuku of Uche, was the APP party chairman. Everywhere the people, APP, broom, wow.
Na broom they use like
Na broom, na the same broom.
You don't think we broom the work.
Wow. Do you know what happened, Nani? People of River State. Tomorrow, let me the election, the general election of the governorship.
Primary.
Which primary? The main election, the real election.
Okay.
A whole party chairman of a party, the camp. Around 2, early morning, midnight,
The party chairman.
party chairman. In the lap. River State.
Leave who? Even the camp, what did they leave behind?
In the camp to PDP around 2 a.m.
Leave in party.
The living party said, I, the chairman of APP, and my children, and my wife, hereby decamp and support His Excellency, the Governor of River State, Chubike, Rotimi and Mechi,
2 a.m. in the morning.
2 a.m. in the morning.
Election at the next.
Every other files and
Every
documents.
that day.
That day, we wait for men day to break. Every other files and documents.
Remember.
Remember,
Even the advice, the people will remain.
the people who remain, please, for those of you still in the APP, I will advise you to find your way before they break. Find your way. The camp is
That is supposed to be chairman.
He is the national chairman.
River State chapter.
Via in the off. Nobody see him again.
Where in the Nadia?
And here is the publicity secretary of Ionese.
Ohanes and Dibu.
He's a people man now. Because he has traced his grandfathers. He's from a local government. He has traced his root to Ionese Ndibo. Uche Barrister Uche Okuku is now the publicity secretary of, is our national chairman. He left
Hustlers.
after many years. We are keeping fit. Me, Michael Okolo, Kule, and Dale the humorous. We are holding the association down. Little did we know that They have
People have been secretly
Our
joining.
mentor.
People have been joining the group.
They are not be paying their
Dues.
dues. Ladies and gentlemen, please, we beg you. If you have the numbers of our members, 2 of our prominent members. Number 1, Livingstone, Barrister Livingstone Boche.
Oh, na barista.
No, not barrister. No, we
Who
want
not barrister?
Now only we no
He's a
go.
liar.
No go law school.
It's a liar. We don't want no.
Now, see,
Una don't give up barrister.
any name where you answer, any name where you give your dog, now your
Now
dog
you go answer.
Oh, ha.
Yeah.
If you call your dog,
Bingo.
Donald Trump,
We
you go
go
answer.